Introducing the stunning 2023 Volvo Xc90T8P HEV Plus Dark AWD SUV in blue. This vehicle is equipped with a 2-litre petrol/plug-in hybrid electric engine, automatic transmission, and comes with a host of luxurious features. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation, this SUV is designed for comfort and convenience. Safety is also a top priority, with features like anti-collision system and lane departure warning. The sleek styling includes a glass roof and roof rails for added sophistication. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.